welcome back to this episode of Plan Your 2019. We're getting there. We're getting through December. It's so fun, and we're really getting close to having your 2019 all ready to go. So for today, what I want you to do is take your goal that we decided on December 7th. You're going to give yourself regular reminders up until your deadline. The reason that most New Year's resolutions don't work is that people kind of forget about them. If you don't know to work towards your goal, if you kind of forget about it, then of course you're not going to think about it and you're not going to do it. So what I want you to do is to set a reminder either in your planner or in your phone for certain dates that are on a regular schedule up until your deadline, and just remind yourself of the tasks that you need to do and that your deadline is coming up. For me, I'm going to write in my planner every Monday from January to February 15th to remind myself to plan in working on my class. Once you have your reminder set in at regular intervals into your planner, comment down below and let me know that you've done the task for today. And that's it. That's all you need to do. If you've missed any of the episodes for Plan Your 2019, check out the playlist. I'll put it in the description below. There's also a playlist for all of Vlogmas 2018, so check that out. If you've missed anything, I'll be here tomorrow. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.